seat mount kit for the Toyota Supra MK5. We have a two-piece base plate design, and as you can see, those two pieces are different, as we have already calculated the offset in front of the steering wheel. The rest of the offset is adjustable by our side brackets or by the long holes of the side brackets, depending on the bucket seat you want to sit in. You will get this kit with every required mounting material to assemble the kit in your Supra with the bucket seat of your choice. As safety first is the first priority of our products, we have run through a stress analysis of every single item. Also, every single piece is not only designed but also manufactured in Germany, and we deliver also material certificates. So, to have the lowest seating position possible, to sit in the middle of your steering wheel, and to have a stiff setup, we have chosen different thicknesses for our setups. There is also no counterpart or no nut below the base plate to reduce the effort of assembly. We do also offer sliders for this kit in our shop.